Thank you for joining me in this keynote where I would like to present how we at Maersk support our customers with air-to-ocean conversion, and I would walk you through some of the specific case that we perform for some of our customers. First of all, I would like to take a minute to walk you through the potential of digitization, the power of integrated solutions, and our efforts at Maersk to decarbonize ocean logistics. Supply chains are struggling with fragmentation of data, low visibility, and low levels of collaboration between partners, which is usually costly to organize. We are using technology to support our customers' evolving needs and future growth. By becoming more than an ocean carrier, we are focusing on connecting and simplifying global supply chains to provide customers with a simple end-to-end offering of products and services. We aim to create a seamless integration between different delivery networks to ensure that the outcome doesn't amount to less than the sum of the parts. And on this slide, you can see that Maersk has diversified our product portfolio, and instead of only investing into steel and ocean ships, we are also investing in overland transport, warehouses, air freight, rail solutions, in order to be able to give our customers a diversified product offering. It is also important to work with industry partners for us and customers to plan and develop supply chains in a more sustainable way. Maersk will continue to explore several carbon neutral fuel pathways and expects multiple solutions to exist in the future. We are launching the first world's carbon neutral liner vessel in 2023, which is 7 years before our target. And our future vessels, we have dual fuel technology installed, enabling either for carbon neutral operations or operations on standard very low sulfur fuel. In this presentation, I will present how we at Maersk help our customers ship pharmaceutical cargo safely within a specific temperature range, and why ocean logistics is a key solution for the pharma logistics. Starting with the challenge at hand, the cargo overall needs to be handled with care because it's both sensitive to conditions and is very expensive. The most critical components of a safe pharmaceutical transport are also the most basic, like hygiene, temperature, and product stability. Some of the focus for the healthcare logistics lie in the nature of the cargo. Depending on the cargo's requirements, the shipping process might need to be temperature controlled and handled with care. There are stringent standards and multiple audits for temperature control products. In order to ensure quality for the products that are being transported, there are standards such as the EU GDP guidelines, which regulate the distribution of healthcare products from the premises of the manufacturer to the patient. There is an ever-increasing level of regulatory requirements globally, which also make logistics of temperature control pharmaceutical products more complex. There's multiple standards also that need diligent audits by the various regulators and pharmaceutical companies. Quality control is extremely important, as such also visibility. The regulatory oversight is fundamental and common during the transportation of pharmaceutical products. Vulnerable spots in the supply chains could be handling, loading, safety, and security, and these need to be addressed properly. Reducing carbon footprint while being cost efficient is extremely important, and pharmaceutical and healthcare logistics has relied on air freight for the transportation of life-saving medicines, which especially helps for the time-sensitive products. While air has some advantages, the extent to which it is used need to be considered because of the healthcare logistics um, collective carbon footprint. Walking you through the Maersk Solution. With over 80 years of expertise in reefers, we have the capability to make sure that goods are in controlled environment for the entire duration of the logistics process. Moreover, we ensure that there is always an expert from our reefer excellence team ready to assist any of our clients, no matter where they are. Maersk understands our customer needs for ensured quality control during the transportation of temperature-controlled pharmaceutical products, and suggested to our customer an air freight trial for a sample shipment from Europe. We have done this to North America, to Latin America, and to the Far East, and possibility to also customize this particular air-to-ocean conversion trials. The trial shipments were to be transported via ocean freight solutions instead of air freight, which was the initial product setup for the customers. They reviewed our quality approach in the logistics process, supported by the available data and results that we have already compiled before they were ready to sign a quality agreement to enable the way forward with regards to ocean freight. To enable the quality agreement sign off, the customer wanted to run trials and ensure operational execution of their quality needs and deliver excellent results that gave that customer confidence for further collaboration. Why we suggested ocean freight? Air freight is widely considered means for transportation for pharmaceutical products because of the assumption that the goods will reach safer and faster with frequent checks and monitoring. However, air freight process is also prone to a lot of deviations or changes in temperature. Therefore, we shared with a lot of our customers the same belief that reefers via ocean freight are the best way to transport pharmaceutical products. And our partners was relying on our global reach and the largest reefer fleet of 360,000 containers that we own and operate. Over the past years, ocean transport has taken on much greater visibility in the pharmaceutical industry, simply because of its efficiency in terms of reliability and higher quality. Although ocean freight takes much longer than air transportation, it is often more reliable because there is far fewer product handoffs. The container is packed with the product and nobody touches the product from origin to destination. There were also studies done on temperature excursions, and the probability of occurrence of temperature excursions in air freight is rather high compared to the 1% caused by ocean freight, therefore leading to higher quality with ocean transportation. As an asset owner, we at Maersk were able to deliver operational excellence, optimizing power off, allocation of space on ships, and equipment guarantees, so our customers can book directly with us. This set the beginning to develop a strategic partnership in the years to come. In terms of efficiency, ocean freight cost is significantly lesser than air transport. Customer clearance and other time-consuming paperwork can be arranged during transit, also making the process a little more tedious as well. As I have already mentioned, a low carbon footprint is the common interest from customers and us. For businesses with sustainability goals in mind, ocean freight offers significant opportunities in reducing their carbon footprint, and ocean transport has lower carbon footprint than air travel, and it's 1/25 of the size of air travel. So again, stressing the lower carbon footprint that can be achieved in ocean transportation. And as I already mentioned in the very beginning, we have undertaken some initiatives to decarbonize logistics. On the outcome, we were successful in shipping pharma goods from the origin to destination within the optimal temperature, and these specific trials were done for shipments for 2 to 8 degrees Celsius with proper quality management. What stood out for us apart from this is also that we could provide our customer visibility and peace of mind that the operations would be maintained under strict supervision in conditions maintained to the highest standards requested by the customer. These trials success has opened opportunities for us at Maersk to expand our work together and expand to other customers. The aim is to increase sustainability by transitioning more products from air freight to ocean freight. And we have supported several customers already on this journey and are ready to expand this even further. Ocean freight provides opportunities for an integrated end-to-end supply chain network and empowers stakeholders in industry that needs greater efficiency and agility to adapt to constant change, whether this includes tough competitions on the different products that are the pharmacy or the hospital, product life cycles, technical consideration of product needs, or disruptive forces. Through our quest to build more efficient, more competitive, and more resilient pharma supply chains, which ensures stakeholders to gain the ability to access and share temperature and location data on demand while the goods are in transit across all separate lanes. Through real-time cloud data and our RCM container technology, businesses can proactively reduce temperature excursions, limit product loss, and achieve regulatory quality compliance and ensure the overall integrity of the products. This is the quick presentation I wanted to share with you, and right on time. So thank you very much for listening, and I'll be waiting for your questions in the chat after. Thank you so much.